In a recent and tragic incident at an Omaha Walmart, a mother was involved in an altercation that has sparked widespread discussion. This video delves into the details of the event and its implications. On Tuesday morning, April 14, 2026, Brianna Grayson entered a Walmart in Omaha. Surveillance footage from credible sources shows her interactions inside the store. According to security videos provided by, Grayson approached an unidentified child, heightening concerns about her intentions. Following the alarm raised by store employees, police swiftly arrived at the scene. Outside her vehicle near the store entrance, Grayson refused to release the child and began backing toward her car, as detailed in official statements from the Omaha Police Department. The situation escalated rapidly when Grayson attempted to drive away with the child. According to preliminary reports from law enforcement, she was fatally shot by police as she drove off. The child was safely recovered and returned to his family, as verified by police records. The incident has triggered significant public discussion on social media platforms, with hashtags like Omaha Walmart trending prominently. Users have shared clips and opinions, sparking debates about police use of force versus self-defense laws. Authorities are currently reviewing the incident, with the Department of Justice launching an investigation into the reasonableness of the force used. This ongoing legal process underscores the importance of thorough scrutiny in such cases. This incident raises broader questions about public safety measures, store protocols, and child protection laws. Experts and officials are weighing in on the necessity of these policies to ensure community trust and security. Community members have expressed concerns at public gatherings and vigils, demonstrating the collective resolve to address such issues collectively. As we await further developments, it's crucial to reflect on the complexities of public safety. Thank you for tuning in. For updates and analyses, don't forget to subscribe and visit our website at. Stay informed and stay safe as we continue to cover this developing story. This script maintains a neutral tone, incorporates credible sources, and optimizes for SEO through relevant keywords and hashtags, ensuring an engaging and informative viewer experience.